go over distractions and peer pressure. Since making good driving decisions can save your life, it's important to keep from being distracted while driving. So pull over to use your GPS, phone, or laptop. Research has shown what most everyone knows. People who use these devices have difficulty reacting to dangerous driving situations. Peer pressure can affect a driver's decisions about drinking, speeding, and driving recklessly.
Many times, a group of young adults will pile into one of their friends' vehicles. In order to impress his or her friends, the driver may try to show off their high-speed driving skills and/or drink while driving. And peer pressure isn't always obvious. Sometimes it's the comments like, "Come on, you're fine, it's just one drink, don't be lame," or "Punch it, this car can handle it." That kind of pressure pushes people into taking risks they wouldn't take alone. The problem is the consequences don't land on the group equally. Passengers and other people on the roadway can be killed and injured. The driver's the one who gets the ticket, the DWI, and the criminal charges.